water, 'cause I don't need more. You could take my bedroll, I'm good on the floor. If you need an ear, I've been told I'm pretty good at understanding problems and knocking hard on wood. The greatest solace given, comfort you can't fake, doesn't come in bottles and pills that you can take. It comes from conversation, from friends who have like minds. You're never really by yourself if you thought you were this time. Well, finish up your chores before you're way too tired. Then rest your head before you're too barbed wire. We all need someone. It's hard life on its own to find some purpose for the wild oats that we've sown. I'll share my stories with you. Tell me some of yours. It won't change some endings, but it might just start some cures. Ooh, I guess that's what friends are for. So finish up your chores before you're way too tired. Then rest your head before you're too barbed wire. I guess that's what friends are for.